Hello dear fans. 7 natural phenomena that are impossible to believe. The world is full of wonders, and some natural phenomena can surprise even scientists. Seeing the impressive images in the photographs, I want to admire such beauty in reality. Some phenomena are even hard to believe. There are many amazing corners on planet Earth, and some natural phenomena can cause surprise and admiration. They can be seen very rarely and only in certain places. The mechanism of occurrence of several of them is still the subject of controversy. Unusual phenomena attract tourists. People are even ready to take risks to see such miracles with their own eyes. Mud thunderstorms. This is a weather phenomenon that occurs when lightning strikes in a cloud of ash that rises from the mouth of a volcano during an eruption. Mud thunderstorms are often admired by the Japanese. This phenomenon occurs at the foot of the Sakurajima volcano, which is considered one of the most active in the world. During a typical rainstorm, ice crystals collide with each other and with water droplets, resulting in an electrical discharge that generates lightning. During mud thunderstorms, particles of volcanic ash collide with each other. The smaller the particle size, the more flares are generated. People have observed this phenomenon since ancient times, but only in the last century have they learned to record it on photographic film. Frozen air bubbles. The birthplace of a rare phenomenon is Canada. It is there that there is Lake Abraham, the surface of which is covered with bizarre bubbles. It looks unusually beautiful and unusual. Bubbles form when methane trapped in ice tries to rise to the surface. Methane constantly freezes and melts, rising higher and higher. This gas forms at the bottom. It is released when bacteria break down organic debris and a series of chemical reactions take place. Shimmering shores. A midnight light show can be seen on the shores of the Maldives. Photos of this phenomenon look so unusual that one can assume the use of photo editors. In fact, this is not the result of image processing, but a real glow, which is obtained due to a special type of plankton that has bioluminescence. The ability to glow in the dark is natural. It makes it possible to attract much larger predators than those that feed on this plankton. In the dark, the ocean looks very beautiful. In combination with the stars in the sky, twinkling lights make an indelible impression on tourists. Hell Gate. One of the most mysterious places on Earth is located in Turkmenistan. The fire in the crater has not extinguished for several decades. Scientists still cannot give an exact explanation for this phenomenon. The gas crater Darvaza is located 300 kilometers from Ashgabat. Its depth is about 20 meters, and its diameter is over 60 meters. This large funnel is called the Gates of Hell. Fire constantly rises from it, and this is accompanied by sounds characteristic of a gas explosion. The boiler of natural origin is located in a desert place, but tourists often come to it. In 1971, geologists discovered the crater. Having found a gas field, scientists decided to set it on fire in order to protect the residents of the nearby village. Since then, the gas has been burning without ceasing. And people who lived in the immediate vicinity of the Gates of Hell moved to safer places. Spherical boulders. Near the coast of New Zealand, you can see spherical boulders protruding from the water. Looking at them, it is difficult to believe that man has nothing to do with the creation of these spherical stones. Scientists examined them and concluded that they are composed of sand, silt and clay, cemented by calcite. There are several theories of the origin of such a miracle of nature, but there is still no exact explanation for this unique phenomenon. Such stones are found in other parts of the world. Some roll ashore. It is noteworthy that over time they collapse, but at the same time the outer shell breaks off, and the boulders retain their rounded shape. Utter clouds. Udder-like clouds are formed mainly in tropical latitudes. They have a specific cellular or marsupial shape. Their formation is made possible by tropical cyclones. Cells are usually well-defined, but may have blurred edges. They have a grayish-white tint, but can become reddish in direct sunlight. The sky, decorated with such clouds, looks just magical. Frozen flowers. On some lakes, under certain weather conditions, a very unusual phenomenon occurs. Frozen flowers appear on the surface. First, the surface of the reservoir is covered with a thin ice crust, and then, with a sharp cooling, down to -22°C, crystals of a wonderful shape are formed. From the outside, they look like unusual flowers. Thanks for watching.